Gushing Water here, and today we will be doing, oh my god, I just said that so fast. Today we'll be doing another episode of The Dog Pack, which is Butterscotch, Marshmallow, Rosie, and Mustache Man / Thunder. Eat me! Okay, this is just a very, very important message. Mangoes is not here anymore. He's a freaking noob and he left us. He's a freaking noob and he left us. So he decided to never play again. Yeah, that's actually not sad. I'm actually kind of glad. He did nothing there. Like, he did nothing at all.
You're the best.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Yeah! Oh my god, guys, look at the sky! It's so beautiful! It's so beautiful! Okay, I had to take it down on this side because I think I went like that and got half Riley's face. Okay, let's start in 5, 4, 3, 2. I got your mouth. 1. Oh, Rosie, are you okay?
What happened?
I think a dog or something came overnight and just tried to attack her. No. Oh, look, she has a scar. Maybe that's why Marshmallow? Marshmallow? Get them food, quick! Yeah. I also heard that new prey is here because hibernate. I think there's going to be koalas now, too. Yeah.
Want me to go check?
Yeah. There's one place that you could find them. Definitely in the trees.
High five, you're terrific.
High five the little kids.
Boom, boom. Want me to go check?
Yep.
Okay.
Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet. Rosie, you're walking. Rosie. Here, play with the ball. Play with the ball.
I found him.
Mustache. You killed it? Is it still alive?
No.
Let me see him. Because it'd be awesome to have a koala on our team.
He might have like a little bit of health left. He's alive.
Give me all your candy. Yes, hello. If you tell us your name, we will not kill you and tell us why you want to join our pack. Because I could get you birds, I could get you everything that lives in the trees, even some snakes.
Excuse me? That was a pack leader.
Dude, you actually killed him. Okay, put him in the. At least now we have more food.
Yeah.
Okay, well, Rosie started to walk. Look,
She did?
Look, she's gonna play.
She's gonna play? Oh. My mustache is too big.
How about the kids think you're their daddy? Because you're the only other.
Yeah, sure.
Daddy!
Time to go to bed. Sorry.
Oh, okay. I go with Marshmallow. Oh, did she think that you were daddy?
Yes.
Oh, it's probably because Mangoes got murdered and they have no other person. At least we don't have to feed anyone else now.
Do you want me to go to wake them up?
No, they can stay asleep. Tomorrow I'm gonna teach Rosie how to hunt. So.
Do you need any help?
No, I think I'm gonna be good. You can go you can take a prey home that's not dead, and I can let Rosie finish him off. I think Marshmallow is sick because she hasn't been moving, and Rosie's younger.
I know what Marshmallow would love the most.
What, a marshmallow?
You're the best. Good job.
Okay, well we have to go steal something from the humans. The humans. The humans! The humans. Must. I played too rough. Mommy! I killed someone! Mustache, you're not dead.
I'm not dead?
No.
Oh, where am I then?
You're at the pack house.
Kids, wake up! Kids, wake up! If you're still tired, go back to bed. I don't care. Do you want to play?
Oh wait, I work it.
Let's play. I'll move the food.
Yeah, I have to.
Excuse me? You don't play with that. Go to bed. You're on timeout.
Hey,
Sorry.
you don't do that to my daughter. She wants to play.
Okay. I like it. Oh.
Let's play. Let's play like fetch. Yeah, I hit you in the face.
I hit you in the neck.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you don't do that.
Oh no. In the distance, Rosie glances a cat, and then the cat looks away.
Hey, stay there, stay there.
Rosie runs away too fast that Mustache Man can't catch her.
Oh no! Oh
No, mine! Mine! Mine!
no! Boy! The cat isn't dead. It can be on our team. Oh, now it's dead.
Rosie, you ate? Did she actually just hunt?
Yep.
Wow. Okay, I think she's done enough.
Good job.
You could take her hunting again.
I will.
I think Marshmallow's not gonna make it through this.
Wait a minute. Let me hear.
Poo, 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 poo.
Wait, I hear something. I hear something. She's alive. She's alive.
I'd actually look behind you. It's actually something else. The cat pounces onto Mustache Man as blood drips out of his ear. No! I get a leaf and I put it onto his ear. Well, that was it, Water Streams, and next episode will be probably maybe the ocean or something. But hey, look at my house. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Haha, you guys only saw orange and pink. You guys didn't see anything else. I actually got them. Okay, well, bye.